I never want you to lie and say, oh yeah, we work with a lot of people. So is it okay with you if I give you a different spin? I was totally okay with what you said. But can I give you a different iteration?
Absolutely.
Ask me the question like you're the physician and I'm you.
Yeah, man, have you guys ever done billing for a orthopedic surgeon group before?
Yeah, so here's our policy on this, and I hope you can appreciate it. I want to truly understand your situation. I want to help you based on everything you're telling me, you're an excellent fit. Where we try to not cross the line there is go into and say, hey, we're working with this practice, we're working with that practice. Because with our current clients, I don't want them to feel like I'm using what we've done for them as a way to help their competitors. And in the same direction, I want you to feel comfortable that when you're a client, we're not going to discuss what we do with you or anybody else. So I would love to just keep this around my understanding of your situation. I can tell you based on everything that you've told me, you're an excellent candidate for our billing solution. I have no doubts that we can get you to where you want to go. But if it's a situation where you're like, I need to hear about 3 or 4 other orthopedics or whatever it is, we just don't share that information because I don't think it's fair to the clients that we already work with. I hope you can appreciate that. And every time I've used that, now I use that even when I have other people. Like I just had somebody this morning ask me who's in logistics. Okay, there's some of you with backgrounds with big ass vans behind you. It's kind of hard to hide the industry that you're in. And those people with the big ass vans in your background, you're pretty badass. I could brag about working with you all day long. I don't, because I don't think that's cool, right? So I had somebody, do you work with other people in logistics? I said the exact same thing. I didn't even say yes. I just say, listen, I really understand your situation. I'm confident based on everything you told me that we can get you there. But here's how I do things a little bit differently at Easton University. The last thing I want is a situation where, okay, so-and-so is using this and they're a competitor, let's use that to go tit for tat with them. I don't think that's fair, and I don't think that's fair to my clients. I also have a feeling based on everything that you told me that you're gonna end up being one, right? So I'm gonna do the same thing when somebody asks me about you. I just don't talk about that. Now, what I'm able to say, because I get in the habit of asking people for putting their phone at their face, I say now, there are some people that have taken their phone and pointed it at their face. Some of them say what they're doing, some of them don't. You can kind of figure out a lot of times from their background. You're more than welcome to check out our testimonials page, which is yet another reason why you guys need to be asking people for video testimonials. But I don't play that game because I've had that bite me in the past personally, where I was with one company and working with somebody else, and they ended up signing up one of my competitors bragging about how they work with me. And I'll be honest, that pissed me off because I felt like that was a competitive advantage of, over that company. So I think when you use that talk track of, listen, I just don't talk about who we work with because it's not fair to our customers and it's not fair to you when you are a customer. It's a lot better off. Sidebar real quick, and I hate to run off on a tangent. I do the exact same thing with testimonials. And this is where I'm a little bit different than anybody else, okay? I have never in my career, almost got me fired a few times. The company said, oh, hey, we want to sign up with you. If you could just get me in touch with 3 current customers. I will not do that. I will never do that. I don't think it's my current customer's job to sell my stuff. Okay? I don't think it's very cool to do that, which again is why I ask people for video testimonials and we have a testimonials page. But if you want to, and where they spin that around as I say, listen, I totally get it. You're probably asking me for testimonials because you want to be certain that this project is going to go well for you. Yeah, that's exactly why I need the testimonials. Why don't we do this? Let's go over my understanding of the situation and how I'm going to solve it for you, because I just don't think it's fair to my current customers to have to sell. And in a lot of times, if it's somebody in the industry, somebody that they can, I know you guys love each other. I know you guys say hi to each other at the trade show and convention and all that. But the last thing I want to do once you're a client is put you in the position to have to sell one of your competitors on working with me. I don't think that's fair to do it for you. So, and I've had some deals where they're like, okay, well, we need tests. I just don't think it's cool to do that, right? It's not that person's job to sell my products for me. I think it crosses the line really, really quick. But the thing that you have to do is just have a clear policy on that and a clear outcome on that. Now, if you're in logistics and it's a testimonial from somebody that you moved their stuff, well, maybe that's not a competitor and that's a different world. But I'm in a world where I don't give testimonials where it's people that could be in competition with each other. If you're in logistics and you're moving offices and it's one university that's competing with another university for top tier talent and students, kind of not cool to ask USC to give a reference to UNC Charlotte. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm gonna give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you want to double, triple, quadruple your closing right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm going to cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.